Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yetunde Adeyemi and I am a VIP flight attendant. Before I became a VIP flight attendant, I worked in a commercial airline for 5 years and I left as a purser. So today I'm going to talk about cabin crew grooming standards. I already have a video on how to do the winged eyeliner that you see a lot of cabin crews in Qatar Airways do. So click on the link below and watch. But today I'm going to talk about grooming standards from makeup, from hair, and your nails. Very important. Your grooming is part of the things that recruitment officers also check during your interview. Make sure you are aware of the colors that are very important to the airline that you are applying to. Tailor your makeup to their standard. If it's Emirates, you know that the red lipstick is very important. Qatar, you know that red and burgundy and pink lipstick is very important. With Etihad, you know that it's purple. And if it's a VIP flight attendant interview, I suggest that you either use a nude or a red lipstick. It's very essential. Before you go for your interview, make sure that your nails are done, your hair is neat and neatly packed to the back, tied in the bun. Make sure your grooming is 100% because your grooming also counts for you. Know that. Grooming is essentially important to an airline. You are the face, the ambassador of the airline. Do you know, let me give an example. Let me use Vogue magazine, Glamour magazine, Cosmo magazine. If you look at the models, not even models, like Vogue mainly use fashion models, Glamour uses celebrities, but there is none of them that you do not see that they have used makeup, they've done their nails, they spend time making them look glamorous. And what is it that makes you buy those magazines? Is because of how glamorous those models and celebrities look on magazines. It's the same thing it's the same thing with airlines. Grooming is essentially important to the extent that for every flight they have grooming officers to check that everything, your uniform, your makeup, your nails are all according to grooming standards. Look at my nails. Every week I invest in making sure that I do my nails. Why? Because apart from the fact that there's a grooming officer that makes sure that I'm well put together, for me, for my self-confidence, for me to be able to even approach a client, a passenger, serving a passenger, because the most important thing when it comes to your nails is when you're serving a passenger, you cannot serve with nails that are so dirty and ugly. The passenger will just tell you, don't worry, I don't want to eat anything. But they're not going to tell you to your face that it's because they don't want to take anything from you. If it's a first class or a business class passenger, you will realize that they will accept food from your colleague, but they will not accept food from you, because business class, first class, VIP clients, they are more very choosy and they expect perfection. It's clean, it's prim and proper, that you must look put together. Now, your makeup, very important. You should know the foundation, the right foundation for your skin. Don't go and buy a foundation that will make you look like a drag queen. Buy foundation that is for your skin. Know how to shape your brows, know how to use pencil, know how to apply the lipstick. Make sure that the lipstick is according to company standard. False eyelashes are not allowed in the airlines. Visible tattoos are not allowed in the airlines. Drag queen, loud, colorful, green, purple makeup are not allowed in the airlines. You have to look When I look at you, the first thing I should not see is your makeup. All I should see is a well made up face. That is a face that is looking glamorous, as in, how do I explain it? Well put together. That's the word. Okay, so I have a grooming course on Udemy. You can click on the link below to know more about how to shape your brows, how to apply foundation, how to buy the right foundation, how to apply your lipsticks, how to make your lipstick not to smear, that is your lipstick coming down like this, how to make your lipstick last for more than 8 hours in case you're doing long haul flights. All that is in my course. So you click on the link below and check it out. Now, for the men, this should be shaved. It's not allowed at all. If you want to keep your beard, Etihad is the only one that allows beards. If you want to work in Emirates or Qatar, you have to shave this. Make sure your nails are also, of course you don't paint your nails, but well groomed, well manicured, perfect. Your shirt, your tie, properly knotted, properly, ironed. You don't look like, don't sag your trousers. It's unacceptable. Okay, so I know you have gained something from my channel today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I also have a Facebook page. I also have ebooks, resources that will help you in your cabin crew journey. My name is Iyetunde Adeyemi. As usual, stay blessed.